This property is a completely restored 3-bedroom stone house with panoramic terrace and cellar situated in the historic center of Gissi at 25 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast. The property measures approximately 64 square meters and avails of 3 floors and 2 separate entrances. The main entrance is situated on the 3rd floor and opens into an open space with dining room with fireplace, and a kitchen corner. On this floor we also find a double bedroom with barrel ceilings, and an ensuite bathroom with shower facilities. Proceeding from the kitchen, we have access to a large panoramic terrace with a beautiful view on the surrounding hills and distant sea view. A spiral staircase takes us down to the 2nd floor, where we immediately find a very large triple bedroom with a balcony, and a bathroom with bathtub. On the ground floor we find the 2nd entrance and another bedroom with ensuite bathroom with shower facilities. The property also avails of a large cellar with a separate entrance, situated on the ground floor. Electricity and water are connected. Central heating system has to be installed. The house is in perfect conditions, ready to move in, and it's on the market for €63,000.